yeah, so I took some shots of the car around the car. It's like the car is not like good and glorious and shiny and nice, but it's okay. So what I did is just I took off the shocks like I said in the previous video I was gonna do, and pulled everything down. And when I've noticed, if you look in the video, it's rusted. All in the video is the suspension, the low control arm, everything is rusted. Rounded by the spindle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean all that down, sand all that down, paint all of that in the process. So I thought that I just would update you. So I'm gonna paint all that down. I'm gonna show the video and process of me painting that, sanding that down, putting up the shock, sanding the shock dowel down, basically the shock, and clean it up and make it look nice. So when I put that back together, it's gonna look good. At least to stop it from rusting. Because you know these JDM cars, they're not prepped for, you know, to be like the rust proof. I don't know why. Like, come on, Japan, domestic market, really. But anyway, I'm gonna paint underneath the car some black paint, some I think Rust-Oleum. I'm gonna put in the video what I do, but that's for when that time reaches. So this is the first clip showing you what the process I did today. I didn't spend much time in it, but it's sweet, short, it's good. So when we get back together, put that back together, and you're gonna see the new video tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in today. Yeah, stay breezy. What you think with the MR2? You think it's come back together?
Yeah, man. It's already back together, man. Just gotta do some cosmetics.
Para.
Para.
Para.